Today we're in Hong Kong for a shoot we're doing for Western Union. We've got the supporters club coming across. We're surprising them with a video call to me, who is supposed to be in England, in my house. Because of the time difference, they think that they've got me up at 4:30 in the morning. So I'm a little bit grumpy, and they're there to ask me anything they want, and I'll be answering in a way that they just wouldn't expect. And then we'll burst in, and I'm actually in Hong Kong.
It's going to be quite interesting to see how they take it. We're going to have a good mess around.
I'm Jason McAteer, and I'm playing Jason McAteer. How come Bruce and Barnsley get to play a character and I have to play myself? I don't get that.
Hey guys.
Who is the most funny guys?
Oh. Hi guys. Jack, get us a cup of tea, will you?
John Barnes, he wears the funniest clothes. His dress sense is terrible.
Cheers, Jack. My nephew Jack's staying with me. He's been in my house for about a week. Oh. That's good, right?
Yeah.
Did you watch the Legends game last week? Xabi Alonso was the top player.
He scored for both him and the man of the match.
Did you just say he was man of the match?
Yeah. He was the man of the match.
Do you like Paul Boyd? Would you say I'm better than Steven Gerrard? Am I better looking than Jamie Redknapp? Obviously I scored 47 goals for Liverpool in one season, so that really makes me a Liverpool legend. Jack speaks Cantonese. Man Loon Ho Gang.
No! He is not your friend.
He's not my nephew now. Do you know what I did last week at the Legends game? All the players, they left loads of them shirts in the dressing room. So I took about 4 or 5 of them shirts and I put them in my bag. If you want, I'll send you the shirts.
Yeah, please. Yeah, please.
Okay, let me go and get a pen and a piece of paper.
They've got no idea that I'm actually here. So I'm hoping we're going to get a really good reaction out of it. This is the best bit.
I was only messing.
Really believe you are in England. We got exactly what we wanted. The shock value was there. It was just brilliant. Download the Western Union app now to send money quickly and reliably to a bank account or for cash pickup.